Today we will discuss about the nuclear reactors. So first of all, nuclear reactor is a controlled, in nuclear reactor there is controlled chain reaction. There are two type of the chain reactions. First one is uncontrolled chain reaction and number two is controlled chain reaction. So what is uncontrolled chain reaction? If more than one neutron are produced in a fission process and cause further fission at each stage, then the number of the fission and energy released is rapidly multiplied. So such a chain reaction is called as uncontrolled chain reaction, and in this type of reaction huge amount of energy is produced within the fraction of a second, and this is the principle of the atom bomb. So we can use this the controlled chain reaction for peaceful purposes, in peaceful purposes such as for producing electricity. So there is a device that is called nuclear reactor that is used to produce the this electricity by using the controlled chain reaction. So in controlled chain reaction, if only one neutron is available to cause the further fission at each stage, then constant amount of energy is released, and such a reaction is called as the controlled chain reaction. And this controlled chain reaction take place in nuclear reactor, and the energy obtained from this reaction is used for producing electricity. So this is the nuclear reactor. So nuclear reactor is the device to initiate and control self-sustained chain reaction, and it is used in power plants to produce electricity. So there is construction of this nuclear reactor. So nuclear reactor, there are important part of the nuclear reactor. First one is fissionable material. First part is fissionable material, and this fissionable material, here the fissionable material used is uranium-235 is used here. And second one is moderator. So what is moderator? What is the function of the moderator here? Moderator is used to slow down the fast moving neutrons, and the moderator here, what is moderator? It can be graphite. We can use here graphite, water and heavy water as a moderator. And what is the function of this moderator? It slow down the fast moving neutrons, and when the fast moving neutron pass through the moderator, they collide with the molecules of the moderator and this moderator, and as a result energy of fast moving neutron decreases, and after some time both neutron and molecules of the moderator attain the same energy, and the neutron are then in thermal equilibrium, and with this, and such neutrons are called as thermal neutrons. Third part is coolant. Third part is controlled material. Control material. So what is control material? In chain reaction, the control material used is this control material is cadmium rods. These are the cadmium rods. These are the cadmium rods, and these are used as a control. These are used to control the chain reaction and maintain a stable rate reaction, and this material controls the number of neutrons available for the fission reactions. So what is used here? Cadmium rods are used to control the chain reaction. And fourth part is coolant. Fourth part is coolant. So the coolant used here, this is filled with coolant. So coolant is a cooling material which remove the heat generated due to the fission process. And commonly used coolants are, it may be water, CO2 and nitrogen can be used as a coolant. And next part is protective shield. So this is the protective shield, and a protective shield, this thick ball is called as the protective shield, and this surrounds the core. This is the core. This part is called as core, and this protective sheet prevent the persons working around this nuclear reactor from the hazardous radiations. So these are the different parts. These are the different part of the this nuclear reactor. Now working. What is the working? How it work? A few nuclei such as uranium-235 undergo the fission by liberating fast moving neutrons, and the fast moving neutrons are slowed down by an energy that is about, and this energy is about 0.025 electron volt energy by the surrounding moderator. That is, moderator may be graphite, water, and this is moderator. This is used as moderator. It may be CO2, water, and it can be heavy waters. So here the cadmium rods are used to control the chain reaction. These are the cadmium rods, and cadmium rods are used to control the chain reaction. And in fission process, heat is produces in the nuclear in the reactor core, and the coolant, here is a coolant, this is a coolant, and this coolant, the coolant transfer the coolant is here. It may be water, heavy water, or this may be graphite. So it transfer the coolant transfer the heat from the core to the heat exchanger. This is heat exchanger, and here the steam is formed, and this stream here in this part, in this heat exchanger, heat is produced, and this produced heat is fall on the turbine, make to fall on the turbine, and the turbine will rotate, and with the rotation of the turbine, this heat is converted into the electricity, and the remaining heat is from the turbine condenses into water and is again returned to this coolant, and this process continues, and a continuous amount of electricity is produced, and this process is repeated to save the person from the persons working around this nuclear reactor from the harmful radiation. A thick concrete ball, this is the thick concrete ball. A thick concrete ball is made around this, and this is act as a protective shield for the core of the reactor, and this device is used to produce not only to produce the electricity, what it is also used to produce the radioactive isotopes. So this is about the nuclear reactors.